Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to explain datetime in an effective ways. Basically, I'm going to teach you more functions in datetime. So let's get started. So in the last video, I had taught you how to get hours and minutes by typing its name. So today, I'm going to teach you how to get more functions. You can do lots of things such as you can get weekdays and so on and so forth. I'm going to teach you everything in a moment. So first of all, I'm going to type current and you have to use strf time. So basically what we're going to do here, you need to write these parameters. For example, if you want to get the weekday, if you put this, it's going to return the weekday. If you execute the program, and you can see it is going to return the weekday. Today is Wednesday, that's why its return is short. So if you want to full things, you have to put capital A, and this documentation saves you. Okay, I'm gonna type something. It's gonna say Wednesday in capital. So if you want to return weekday, how many number in a weekday, you can type like this, and it is going to return how many weekday as a number, like 6, Sunday is 0, and so on and so forth. And here 3 is going to be the number of the day, which means 0 is going to be Sunday, and so on and so forth. Okay, and 0 is Sunday, and 1 is going to be Monday, and 2 is going to be Tuesday, and 3 is going to be Wednesday. That's why it returns 3 over here. So if you type D, it's going to return the day of today. So which means if you type it's going to return 27, and you can see it's 27, that's why I return 27. Like that, if you put B over here, the B is going to be returned. I'm just typing this one, you can see that the month of the year, so it's going to be May. If you put capital B, it's going to return the month name full version. For example, it's going to be returning in a full version. For May is okay, but for December, for example, if it is a December, it's going to return as DEC. If you use the lower B, it is going to return December as DEC. But for May, it is always 3 characters, therefore no problem. For if you want to get the full name, you have to use this B. And for month, you can use M. Okay, M as a number. For example, if you want to return month as a number, you can type M over here. It is going to return the number of months. So we are in 5th month in 2020, so it's going to return 5th. And the next things I want to teach you is Y. Y is going to return year in a short format, and you can see that is going to return 20. So if you want to return full format, you have to use it as capital, and it's going to return 2020. And like that, there are many functions over here, and H is going to return the hour. For example, if I type H over here, it is going to return the hour of the current hour is 20. Yes, if you want to return in 12-hour format, you can use this I. So I is going to return for you. And you can 8, because it's 8 o'clock, it's return 8. Like that, you can put if you want to return the AM or PM, you can use P basically, and this is going to say your PM. And M is going to return minutes. For example, if you type April M, it is going to return minutes. And S is going to return seconds. So I'm going to type S, it is going to return seconds. How many seconds is it? So it returns the current date. Okay, basically we are getting now. You can see datetime date dot now is returning current. Like that, we can set F for milliseconds, and Z for UTC time set, and day, and so on and so forth. There are a bunch of things here. You can take a screenshot of it, and you can write your notes, or I will put in the description of this program, and you can easily learn this. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. These are all functions you can use with the strf time method, and I will see you in the next video.